Hello everyone, today I am discussing about cultivation of wheat. Wheat, scientific name Triticum mysticum belongs to family Poaceae gramineae, chromosome number 42. Based on flighty level, wheat is a hexaploid plant, photoperiodically long day plant, and based on carbon cycle C3 plant. Importance: wheat is world's most widely cultivated food crop. It is Rabi season crop. In India, it is the second important staple cereals food. It is mostly eaten in the form of chapatis. Wheat is also used for manufacturing bread, cake, biscuit, etc. Wheat is a good source of feed for cattle. Wheat contains more protein, 10 to 12%, than in other cereals. Wheat protein are of especially significance. Origin place: according to Babilao, wheat originated from Southwest Asia. Classification of wheat: Immer wheat, Triticum dicocum. This wheat is grown in Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. It is grown in Spain, Italy, Germany, and Russia. In world level, it was developed from Triticum dicodus coru, a wild flower. Next, Macaroni wheat, Triticum durum. It is drought tolerant and cultivated in Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, West Bengal, and Himachal Pradesh. It is used for suji preparation. In world level, it is grown in Italy, USA, Canada, and Russia. Next, common bread wheat, Triticum vulgare. It is a typical wheat of alluvial soil of Indo-Gangetic plains, for example, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and some part of Rajasthan. Next, Indian dwarf wheat, Triticum sphaerococum. This is found in limited area of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh of India, and in Pakistan. They are characterized by very short and compact head, having shorter grain. This belongs to the club wheat of western countries. Next, bread wheat Triticum aestivum. This is a type presently grown in India in most all the wheat growing zones. It is introduced in India by Norman E. Borlaug from Mexico and called as Mexican dwarf wheat. It is the bread wheat. Some important variety for Punjab region. Timely sown irrigated condition SD2967, which is developed in 2011, PBW621, DBW17. For late sown irrigated condition, PBW590, PBW509. Timely sown rain-fed condition, PBW644, PBW527, PBW175. Other varieties under cultivation: SD2932, SD2733, WS711. Soil requirement: wheat is grown in a variety of soils in India. Well-drained loam and clay loam soil are good for wheat cultivation. However, good crop of wheat are raised in sandy loam and bulky soil also. Soil should be neutral in reaction. Heavy soil with good drainage are suitable for wheat cultivation under dry condition. It tolerates a wide range of soil reaction from 5.5 to 7.5. It is well in soil having pH range of 6.5 to 7.5. Land preparation: in general, wheat require a well pulverized but important seed bed for good and Uniform germination. In irrigated area, wheat is sown after kharif crops. Hence, the field are plowed with disc or moldwood plow, followed by 2 or 3 harrow, and 2-3 planking should be given. One per sowing irrigation. 7 to 10 days before seedling is necessary to ensure good germination in wheat crop. Climatic requirement. The optimum temperature range of ideal germination of wheat seed is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. So the seed can be germinated in the temperature range of 3.5 to 35 degrees Celsius. It can be grown in regions where rainfall varies from 25 to 150 centimeter per year. The wheat plants require medium 50 to 60% humidity of their growth, but at the time of maturity, crop require less humidity and warm season. At the time of maturity, the plant requires 25 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Growth stage temperature requirement. For germination, 20-25 degrees Celsius. Tillering, 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. Accelerated growth, 20 to 23 degrees Celsius. Proper grain filling, 23 to 28 degrees Celsius. Time of sowing. Time of sowing is one of the most important aspects of obtaining good yield of wheat. Temperature during growing season of grain filling is one of the several factors deciding the sowing time. However, ideal temperature requirement value from the plant type and stage of growth. The dwarf wheat required the following temperature for the growth and development. Seed rate. Normal sowing with seed rate 100 kg per hectare. Bold seed later sown condition 125 kg per hectare. Dibbling method 25 kg per hectare. For broadcasting 125 kg per hectare seed required. Seed treatment. Treat the seed with any one of the fungicides at 2 to 3 gram per kg seed of seed 24 before sowing. Spacing for normal sown crop 8 to 10 into 20 to 22.5 centimeter between the row. For delayed sowing 8 to 10 into 15 to 18 centimeters. Depth of sowing. Since the coleoptile length is 5 cm, depth of sowing should not more than 5 cm and optimum depth of sowing is 2.5 to 5 cm. Methods of sowing. Broadcasted sowing. Seed are broadcasted at when worked by the harrowing to cover the seed. Germination is very poor and plant stand is often regular since the seeds are not placed in the moist zone. High seed rate and it is insufficient method. Next, sowing behind the country plow. The majority of farmers use this method. The seed is dropped in furrow by hand and it is called Kera method. And when the drop through the pora, a specially set of the attach with local plow, it is called pora method. In this method, seed are dropped at 5 to 6 centimeter depth. Next, drilling. Seed are sown by seed drill or 30 seed drill. Ensure uniform depth of showing proper placement of fertilizer and good germination. Dribbling. This method is used in the case of where supply of seed is limited. Using the implement is called dribbler. It is not common method because it is time consuming. Next, transplanting. It is not common practice. When the sowing delay beyond first week of December, seedlings are raised in the nursery and transplanted on 25 days at 2 or 3 seedlings per head at the row spacing of 15 to 5 to 7.5 centimeter. The varieties Kalyan Sona and Sonalika are best for transplanting. Manures and fertilizers. Organic manures are very important for wheat cultivation as in organic fertilizer. In case of wheat cultivation, the use of organic manure is very much desirable in order to maintain the physical, chemical and biological condition of the soil and also to increase the water holding capacity of soil for maximize utilization of rainwater. 10 to 15 ton of well-rotten farmyard manure or compost would be applied in 1 hectare area, preferably 20 to 30 days before sowing. Organic manure should be spread on the upper surface of the soil and plowed in to get it well mixed in the soil. Application of chemical fertilizer depend upon basically fertility status of the field. Apply 120 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus, 40 kg potassium is recommended. 60 kg phosphorus, 40 kg potassium apply as a basal application and 50 kg nitrogen as a basal application, 20% at maximum tillering stage and remaining 25% at panicle initiation stage. The first top dressing should be done immediately after rece- the sufficient rain or canal water. Water management. Feet require 400 to 600 mm of water. Irrigation at 50% available soil moisture or 50% depletion of available soil moisture is optimum. The critical stage of crop for irrigation. First, crown root initiation, which is come after 21 days after sowing. Tillering stage comes after 45 to 60 days after sowing. Jointing stage 60 to 70 days. Flowering stage 90 to 95 days after sowing. Milking stage 100 to 108 days after sowing. Dot stage 120 to 125 days after sowing. Irrigation at CRI stage, which is also known as crown root initiation stage, is the most important and delay of every day results in reduction of 1.5% grain yield per day. It has also noticed that if any of following irrigation is delayed or missed, the irrigation is reduced to the extent of 5 to 10 kg per hectare. Harvesting and threshing. Harvested when the leaves and stem turn yellow and becomes fairly dry. Harvest when there is about 20 to 25% moisture content. Harvesting is done by using sickle or bullock drawn reapers or by using combined harvester. After threshing the cleaning, the grain is dry in the sun for 3 to 4 days for getting 10 to 12% moisture for storage. Yield. A well management crop of mid to late duration produce yield about 40 to 45 quintals grain per hectare. Short duration varieties yield about 35 to 40 quintals of grain per hectare under good crop management.